Hey y'all, I had to come while I still got some makeup on my face. Forgive the pimple, but I needed to do oh Lord, I need to do a haul before y'all have to excuse me because y'all know today's Sunday. I got out of church and this is just it. Anyway, um, I got some stuff I need to show. Cause if I have to wait for all this stuff to come in, there's going to be no way I'm going to be able to do a video that huge. Okay, starting out, I think I told you I was waiting on my brush to come. This is my Mia Secret brush that came in. It is a beautiful brush. Look at that. I like it. I'm gonna have to show my do an update on my nail brushes, my acrylic brushes. And let me see. This came in. I ordered some of this. Base one. I ordered some of this. Primer. I want to try it. And I just want to try it because it's got this pink brush in it. Y'all just, y'all know how I am. Anyway, this is some more stuff that I got in that I purchased. These are the um eyeliner brushes that I use by Rimmel. Hope you can see it. I got two of those. I got two e.l.f. These are my favorite liquid eyeliners by e.l.f. They are the black ones. Let me see. Jet black. Is it jet black? Yeah, the jet black ones. They got jet black and charcoal. I like jet black. Got these two. And I like this for my primer, for my makeup. I actually got three. I just brought two for the video, but I actually got three. So I'm pretty well stocked up on that. Okay. Next, I saw a video of a lady and she was advertising these. She got them in white, but it is a dispenser. You can use it for alcohol, acetone. In this one, I have acetone. I ordered another one, and it's a green one. You know, I like odd stuff. She had two white ones. Excuse me. So I didn't really want to get white, but I got this with acetone. And the thing about it is that let me see if I can get it up here. Is that it has a lid. And the thing that really got me with this was she said that it doesn't evaporate in this because it's got a lock lid on it. It's locked, and if you read the top of your thing, it says to turn this way to unlock it where you can pump it. So I got that. I got it off of Amazon. If any of this stuff, guys, you want to link to the online stuff that I got, just let me know. Just ask. I always give you a link. And so I got that. I got another one coming. But I wanted to also show you, ta-da, I got this one. You remember? I had purchased this one, and they're both the same size. Now, this one was a little bit more expensive than this one, y'all. But I wanted it because it's pink. Y'all know how I am. And it's just as big as this one, and you can fill up every hole in it. And I just like it. So I have two. Oh, yeah, I got another one of these on order. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these things because I certainly do not have the um, drill bits to go into it. Okay, now I had to pause for a second because I had to get some stuff. Okay, I showed you my drill bit thing. Okay, now I want to show you this. Guys, I broke down and bought one because I saw so many people and they look so cute. And you know, I'm all about some cute stuff. So finally, bam, I broke down and bought me one, a Manny Pro Passport. And the one that I have is this one, the white one. And let me see if I can find my little cute Manny Pro, my little passport. Come on, baby. Come on over here so we can be on, so you can be on YouTube. And here it is. It um it came with the little stand for it and everything. And it has the charger, it has the little thing here. And it is so cute. I'm gonna tell you something. If anyone would have told me that I would own a Manny Pro Passport, I would have said I would if you're gonna buy it for me. But I just happened to be able to get one. And so I'm going to be using this, hopefully, I think. I'm going to use this for a while. I got another drill coming though, y'all. I got another coming. Y'all might as well get used to. Y'all know good and well I like to collect stuff. I can't help it. It's just the nature of me. But now, this is something else I want to talk about. Okay, I told you that I got this. Let me see if I can put it where you can see it without it being a glare. Got this Decory. There we go. And I got the liquid. Came together. And I also ordered the Easy Flow. Okay. Now, I said that this and this is no good. But I really was wrong. The problem is the liquid is cheap. I can use the liquid. Do not order this. I'm telling you, it's cheap. Do not order it because it does not work well with this or with that. And I mean, I just can't get it to work for me. And what happened was these two powders will work wonders. Both of these will work wonders if you use them with a quality liquid. I use them with the Enel Couture monomer. I use them with that. And I mean, they come out great. They come out really smooth. I use it on my practice hand. And I mean, the acrylic lace so smooth. And I did both of them. I did Easy Flow and I did the Decory. And yes, they work, but only if you use a quality monomer. You can also use it with Mia Secret and it works wonderful. I know a lot of people out there, you all have Mia Secret. So if you happen to get these, they work wonderful. I mean, I actually like this powder and better than I like the Mia Secret. I really do. If I'm using it with Mia Secret. So you can use either one. This, I'm going to be honest with you, this one is a lot cheaper. It does not come in the same large sizes that Mia Secret comes in, but it's a nice clear powder. You can get it in other colors. I think you can get it in pink, and I think you can get it in white. But I want to try the clear. And the Easy Flow, this one, it works good as long as you use a quality liquid. And I mean, they really are so smooth. I'm telling you. So I take what I said back about these two because I like them. And what I'm going to do, the next set of nails that I do, my nails when I get ready to do them, which will be probably another, not this week, but week after, well, next week, not the week coming, but the week after that. But anyway, it works wonders. If you use it, like I say, with any quality liquid. But you cannot use this. So I'm here, I'm letting you know, do not order the liquid, because the liquid is really cheap. It's like the liquid that comes in those little cheap kiss kits that you can buy in your um the beauty supply stores, or either the liquid that comes in those little kits that you can order on eBay. The liquid is really cheap, so the liquid doesn't work with that powder at all. Now, I don't know how well. I may try this liquid with the Mia Secret powder. And I also have some, what was that company that went out of business? DC, Diva DC, or it was DC Collections or something like that. But I have some of their powder, and I know their powder was good. So I'm going to try this liquid with some of that powder and see how it works. Maybe I can get something to work with this so it won't go to waste. I really don't want to throw it away. Um, but it really does. It has a cheap smell to it. Yeah, it just has it has that cheap. It smells almost like the Kiss liquid that comes in those little cheap Kiss kits that you can buy at Walmart or your beauty supply store. So that's what I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about today. And I had to show you my baby, my Mani Pro. So I did break down and get one. Um, and um, I played around with it a little bit, and I really did enjoy it. It also came with the bits and the mandrel. Um, it also came with the little universal converter, European converter. It came with that also. So I just wanted to come and share that with you guys. I'm going to try to keep you up to date as stuff comes in. It's just a shame that stuff doesn't all come in at one time, but I have to go ahead and do these videos, because if I let it go, I'll forget what I got in and um, what I need to do in a haul. So I just want to show you guys that, and I want you all to have a wonderful, blessed evening. Enjoy yourself, relax like I'm getting ready to do. I'm going to get me some chips, and I'm going to watch some YouTube videos. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye bye, guys. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and comment. Love y'all.